Hey everyone, how's it going? I want to show you a good way to make some life-changing money. Uh, my history with crypto has not been good, but it is good because I'm able to help you out. I signed up 6 or so months ago, and I thought the way that I do it is I go to Coinbase and I buy tokens that I saw on YouTube, and I was going to get rich. And it didn't quite work out. I would get up a little bit and I would sell them. And the idea was to buy the next great token that I saw on YouTube. And I would use all my profits on selling them. Um, then I was told to get a wallet. So I got a wallet, and I'd lose even more money sending these things back and forth from my wallet to the exchange. Then scammers came along and one thing after another. And so, I'm down thousands of dollars. And I was about ready to get out, but I had got into some new projects that I think are going to do really well. And then I found uh, this matic staker, and uh, I'm able to put money in it, let it accumulate. I have been able to take it out. I got on this thing the first day it came live, uh, and it's been perfect. Now you have to have your money in your wallet on the Polygon uh, mainnet, and I'll show you how to do that. But you can see I withdraw it and I send it to another wallet and then I invest it. So you can get it on the Polygon mainnet a couple different ways. One, you can go to KuCoin and buy it, and then when you go to withdraw it, you select matic, and then you put your address in, and then the network, you select the matic address, and then you can send it to your wallet that way. This address is your wallet. You can do the same thing on Gate.io. I have nothing in these exchanges because I've been putting it all on that site. So basically, you do the same thing. You go down here and you find matic, do it on the Polygon chain, send it to your wallet right here, but this will say matic address. And then the amount, you want to send it all, and then it'll send it to your wallet. Another way, if you buy it on Coinbase or whatever, is you can use a site like QuickSwap here. You can buy whatever you want. You could buy, let's say you bought, um, find something that's on Coinbase. No, it's not. Let's see, what's on Coinbase? Well, it doesn't matter. Let's say you buy something on Coinbase, and you say we do Shiba. Okay, so we buy Shiba. We want to switch it to matic. You connect your wallet, and then you use this bridge to put it onto the Polygon chain. So that's another way. But it's cheaper to just do it. Just buy it in the first place on one of these sites, and Binance is another one. There's a few. I've not used that. I've just used these two. But it's easier just to buy it and send it on the Polygon chain than it is to use these exchanges. All right. So anyway, once you got it on the Polygon chain, you invest it. There's three kind of investments: 14, 21, 28 days. And of them, there's two options. So there's a total of six, really. But there's locked and unlocked. So there's three unlocked. And what that means is that each day you can pull out the interest, so to speak, here. Or you can lock it and you can pull it out in 21 days. 20, 21, 28 days. Now let's say you put in 100 matic tokens. At the end of 28 days, you're going to have 2,060. So let's say that's the end of March. End of April, you're going to have 42,450. End of May, you're going to have 874,773. End of June, you're going to have 18 million. So you can see, or no, 1,802,000, no, 18 million to 26,576. You can see how fast at 2,000% a month it can accumulate. So that is the way you make money in crypto. Now, if you're a little bit leery, you want to try it out first, put it in these savings accounts. Put in 100 here. It'll turn into, you'll get 324 matic over 28 days, plus your additional 100 back at the end. So each day you'll get like 10 out, which will come here, and you can withdraw that, and then you can put them in these locked plans. You can accumulate an enormous amount of money this way. If you go to Coinbase and you try and buy these and then hope they go up 5 or 10 cents so you can sell them, you're going to lose money, because the exchange rate, when you go to buy and sell, they charge you about $10, $15. The gas fee, sending them to and from your wallet on Ethereum, and it's ridiculous unless you're playing with a lot of money. The other thing too is the more times you send out back and forth, people, I don't know, but I've had scammers get into my wallet. So that's why I recommend doing this. You're only dealing with this site. I would set up a wallet address, go in here, and you can create different accounts here. Actually, here you can create new accounts, and I would use them. I'd use one to buy or receive. So one, when you send it to and from the exchange, you buy some, you have it come into one account. You want to send it out to go put it in your bank, you send it out from that account. Then you use other accounts separate from that one to invest. I'd have one that I use for the unlocked, and I'd have another that I use for the locked, and only use those wallet address numbers for one thing. Don't use them on the other chains like SmartNet and Ethereum for other projects. One address per project, and that way you won't run into problems. My sign up is in the description. I'll help you, I'll coach you, I'll do anything I can to help you with any questions or issues you have. Remember, this isn't financial advice. This is just me showing you a way that potentially you can earn some money in crypto without having some of the problems that people commonly have, especially when they're new. If you have any questions, hit me up, like the video, make a comment, thumbs up, and let's all make some money. Thanks. Thing didn't record. I hate this.